Watch the CUI 38. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. You see Betsy, she's nice and clean. Actually gave a nice clean last night when we got home from work. Right now we headed to our first appointment. Today the high supposed to be 70 degrees, so that's gonna be a nice day. But right now it's still 40 something, but today we got 1, 2, 3, 4 appointments, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready and knock those out, you know, do what we have to do. But y'all already know, man, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. Hit that subscribe button. If you ain't hit it yet, hit it now, like. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, detail. Let me turn this vacuum off. But detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to this first appointment, and already, man, I'm already 2 hours in this car, and we just doing the interior. Still working on the driver's side. Like I say, most of the debris is up. You know, it was very dirty in here. If you look, you can still see how dirty it is. Even when you look at these seats, how dirty the seats look and things of that nature. So we're about to go ahead and finish cleaning the doors, cleaning the interior of the car. Like I said, it was a little bit dirtier in here. Biggest issue I'm having now is time. So I might have to let her know that I may not be able to do the exterior of the car, just the interior. But like I said, it's taking me literally 2 hours and 30 minutes just to do the interior of the car. So y'all already know what I mean by having to go to my next appointment. My next appointment is about 11:30, 12. But you see that plastic needs a good wipe down. You see how I got all this dirt in here. So we're gonna go ahead and continue the job. You already see them. Like I said, we already knocked out the other side of the car. We're working on this side of the car now. Got to trust the vacuum out, things like that, man. But if you're new to the channel, man, hit that subscribe button today, not tomorrow. Let's make it happen. And I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking because I'm already pressed for time, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. All right, detail world, man. Like I said, we're not gonna be able to get to the exterior of this car because we've been here for 3 hours. So we got the interior of the car looking amazing. She definitely should be enthused with the work. Like I said, we take so much pride in the work we do, man. Like we really do, man. We take so much pride in everything we do, and I also want to make sure that I always want to provide the best service possible to my customers. I'm sorry I couldn't get the exterior done, because if I do this exterior, I'm gonna be super late to my next hump. So I'm gonna go ahead and let her know we done, get it cracking, head to the next spot. Ben already load up. Sorry I couldn't get to the exterior, y'all. I'm trying my best, but we're gonna get to the next 2, 3, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to the second appointment right now. We're doing this Range Rover Velar, and we about to go ahead and work on the exterior right now. So take advantage of the sun while it's shining. But the interior of the car rarely ever dirty because she got I don't know. I don't think she have any grandkids, anything like that. It look like a dog in here. I see a little traces of dog hair, things like that. Smells extremely good in her car. I don't know what type of perfume she wears, but man, whatever perfume she wear, that shit smells good. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on the exterior first because the interior never really takes that much to clean because she don't have kids. Like I tell people, like the last car we did, she got 2, 3 kids, and that car took a little bit longer to do. Like I said, I didn't get to the exterior. She may be a little upset. I talked to her on the phone, but I had to let her know, like, I've been at your house for 3 hours working on this car, which it shouldn't take me 3 hours to do an interior. But then she's like, is it half price? No, I spent over 3 hours working on this car. It's still this much, but I'm finna go ahead and get it cracking, man. My hair look crazy. I need to get my hair braided this weekend. Hopefully not. I don't know when, probably next week. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking. Y'all see little dog hair. Look like a dog been walking on the seat too. So we're gonna get in here and do what we need to do. Wipe down this console, things of that nature. But y'all already know, man. Stay dedicated, stay motivated, stay persistent, consistent, and relentless. And on that note, man, as long as you stay true to your values and true to yourself, man, you're gonna accomplish all the great things that you want to accomplish. So let's make it happen, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We finally got the second car done of the day. Took us about an hour to get it done, but y'all already know, man, no matter how long it takes me to do the car, I'm just willing to do the job because this is my occupation, this is my career that I chose. But right now, we finished, about to get ready and head to the next stop. Probably about a good 20 minutes from here, so you already know how that go. Excuse me, I'm looking at my phone, the camera just all over the place. But the interior of the car came out well. Like I say, remember she had a little dog hair in here, a little dusty, wasn't that bad, but we got the whole interior looking great, exterior looking great. Gonna let her know we done so we can go ahead and get paid. Like I said, I'm about to stop and grab some lunch because I'm pretty hungry, and get to my next stop. So like always, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. Stay dedicated, but dedication is everything, and be consistent, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do? What it do, man. We didn't finish this third appointment of the day. I had to wax it, wash it, vacuum the whole interior, and I apologize not showing you what the car looked like prior to, but if you look at that car, man, it is shining. It definitely got a glow. New customer, he got his number from the people across the street, and I can appreciate that. I actually got 3-4 customers in this neighborhood, but the interior of the car came out well, man. We did a great job. Made sure we vacuumed the car real well, made sure we wiped down all the console, the seats, things of that nature. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell them to come on, pull it in the garage. We still got one more car to do here, plus another house call. I'm trying to stay on time, which I won't be on time for the next house call. I'm gonna be there about 4, and it's already think 4. But y'all already know, man, consistency is the key. Remember, dedication is everything. Remember, you don't need eyes to have a vision. Just find what your passion is and stick with it. And I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one, man. Peace. Detail World, what it do? Y'all already know what it do, YouTube. We didn't finish this car. It's a GMC Yukon Denali. We got the whole car looking amazing. He's definitely finna come outside and be super enthused with the work that I did. Like I said, it's a first time customer, and he said he's definitely gonna use my services again. Now, I usually be across the street cleaning cars, and he always cleaning his car, but he said he didn't feel like waxing them today, so he called the professionals out. But he said he got one more vehicle he'd like me to clean next week. Like, this is the first vehicle we did, came out wonderful. This second vehicle we did for him, it came out wonderful too. Interior of the car was fairly clean. I mean, it wasn't dirty at all. Like, whoever car this is, they are a very clean person. I mean, I didn't see any dirt, any debris anywhere. The most dirt and debris I saw was in the cup holder. But y'all already know, man, it's a beautiful day. Weather is great. It cranked up to like 70 degrees. I'm not sure. He came outside and said it's supposed to rain tomorrow. Hoping it don't, because I really need to get all the money I can. But y'all already know, man, I'm not sure if I'm going to do that last car yet, because I'm looking at the time and travel time. But I'm gonna go ahead and just end this video anyway. So like always, man, one love. Remember, you can't love yourself without loving anybody, man. You gotta have that self-love. And like I said, 2024 is gonna be the year of self-care. And yeah, on that note, y'all already know. So remember, man, do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do. Remember, consistency beats everything. Hard work beats talent. And remember, man, you gotta be great. And I'm gonna catch you later, man. Peace.
I was on YouTube, watching TY38.